Hey boys and girls, we're back to read some more Bread and Jam for Frances. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. But before we get started into the next section of our reading, let's review some of our vocab words for Bread and Jam for Frances and some of our sight words for Bread and Jam for Frances. So let's begin with the ones from yesterday. I'm just going to hold up the word and we're going to sound it out together. Bread. Bread. We have our EA phonogram in bread. Breakfast. How many syllables are in breakfast? Breakfast. 2 syllables. Do you see that EA phonogram again? Spreading. Spreading. We have an EA phonogram in here again with our ending, our ing, ing, ong, ung ending. And our blend at the beginning, spread, ing, 2 syllables. Stomach, stomach. We have our CH phonogram at the end that says the k sound. Stomach. Scrambled, scrambled. Again, we have our ed ending, ed-d, scrambled, 2 syllables. And biscuits, biscuits. Very good. We're going to move on to some of our other words that we're going to see in this portion of our reading. What does this picture look like? Hard to see, but you see the night sky. We're going to call this evening. Evening. 2 syllables. We have our ing ending. Remember our ing, ing, ong, ung. Can you tell what this picture is? Getting that glare again. Potatoes. Potatoes. How many syllables did you hear? Good. 3 syllables. Po-tay-toes. Good. Do any of your parents, or do you have this in your kitchen? Have you seen one of these? This is called a strainer. And we're going to see the word strained in our reading today. Strained. We have our beginning blend, our AI phonogram, and our ed-t ending, strained. I gave it away. What is this little girl wearing? She's about to head off to bed. Good. She's wearing a nightgown. Compound word, night, and gown. See if I can cover up that one so you can see that they're each words on their own. Night, gown. You see our 3-letter I. You see our O-W, ow-o. Nightgown, 2 syllables. What is this person? Yeah, he's a sailor. A-I says our long A, sailor. Now, we're not going to say sailor, even though that's our O-R. We do pronounce it as sailor. What do you notice about that picture? One of those smiley faces looks what? Different. Different. Very good. So keep an eye out for those words as we do our reading today. And click on the next video to hop into our reading.